Hello, welcome. I'm Jason Russell, Pivot Point International's Learning Engagement and Artistic Manager. I'd love to show you today how I'm going to do a perm rod set on our beautiful slip-on, highly textured mannequin. Please stay tuned. Begin by dividing the head into 2-inch large sections. Detangle. Apply a liberal amount of heavy styling cream through each 2-inch section. Notice a quarter size amount, emulsified, and applied mid-strand and ends throughout. A fine or medium tooth comb is used to then distribute the hair product evenly throughout the entire section. Complete this on the entire head. Resection the entire head in diamond, triangle, and rectangular shapes approximately 2 to 3 inches in width. Release the section and spray with additional water to maintain even moisture throughout the hair. Apply a generous amount of heavy styling cream or gel to the section, emulsifying it in the hands prior to, mid-strand, and ends. Comb through with a fine or medium tooth comb for even distribution. Begin at the top of the section, combing through, detangling very well. Apply the perm rod on top of the strand with your thumb facing up. Turn your hand over and rotate it around the tool. Thumb up, turn over and rotate around the tool. Using your index finger and thumb, smooth the ends around the tool and secure. Once again, take the next section, apply product generously throughout. Comb with a fine or medium tooth comb to distribute product evenly. Apply the perm rod on top of the strand with your thumb facing up. Turn your thumb over and rotate it around the tool. Thumb over, rotate it around the tool. Notice it creates a twisting effect on top of the strand. Smooth the ends with your index and middle finger and secure. Here you see the complete perm rod set prior to styling. Remove all rods and begin to take each section, stretching and separating into multiple sections. The number of sections each area is broken down is a personal preference. Notice that the curls may be kept neat and clean, or distressed even further for a lived-in, modern, slept-in appearance. Here you see the final result that is distressed and has the lived-in feel.